Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketika kau tak sanggup melangkah, hilang arah dalam kesendirian, terbentari bagai malam yang gelap, tiada tempat untuk berlabuh, bertahan, terus berharap. Allah selalu di sisimu, insyaallah, insyaallah, insyaallah ada jalan, insyaallah, insyaallah, insyaallah ada jalan. Every time you can make one more mistake, you feel you can repeat, and that is way too late. You're so confused, wrong decisions you have made. Harm your mind, and your heart is full of shame. But don't despair and never lose hope, 'cause Allah is always by your side. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah you'll find a way. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah ada jalan. Tentu Allah is never far away. Put the trust in Him, raise your hands and pray. Ya Allah, tuntunlah aku di jalanmu. Hanya Engkaulah pelitaku, tuntun aku di jalanmu selamanya. Insyaallah, insyaallah, insyaallah we'll find a way. Insyaallah, insyaallah, insyaallah we'll find a way. Insyaallah.